Did you know that retinol, discovered over a century ago, can boost skin cell turnover by nearly 50% and increase collagen production by more than 20% in just a few weeks? That's why dermatologists call it the gold standard for treating acne, wrinkles, and dark spots. Retinol is a form of vitamin A that helps your skin renew itself faster. Normally, your skin renews every 28 days. But with retinol, this process speeds up, allowing dull and damaged cells to be replaced by fresh ones. This makes the skin smoother, brighter, and more even-toned. Retinol serum is a multitasking product that targets several skin problems at once. For acne, it works by unclogging pores, reducing oil buildup, and preventing the formation of blackheads and whiteheads. It also helps heal existing acne and fade dark marks left behind. Clinical studies show that consistent retinol use can reduce acne by up to 40% in about 12 weeks. When it comes to wrinkles and fine lines, retinol is a true game changer. After the age of 25, our skin loses about 1% of collagen each year. Retinol helps slow this down by stimulating the skin's natural collagen production. With regular use, fine lines around the eyes, mouth, and forehead begin to soften, and the skin looks firmer and more youthful. For dark spots and uneven skin tone, retinol works by reducing excess melanin, which causes pigmentation. Within a few months of use, studies have shown a visible improvement of up to 60% in discoloration. This gives your skin a clearer, more radiant look. Retinol serum truly does it all. It clears acne, reduces wrinkles, fades dark spots, and keeps your skin looking fresh and youthful. No wonder dermatologists everywhere still call it the most powerful ingredient in skincare. If you enjoyed this explanation, make sure to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more dermatologist-approved skincare content every week.